In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to merge layers in GIMP. If you're working with a layered image and you're ready to combine some elements, merging layers is a simple way to tidy up your project and lock in a look you're happy with. Start by opening your project in GIMP and take a quick look at the Layers panel. You'll want to make sure you actually have multiple layers to work with. Layers stack from top to bottom, and what you see in your main canvas is the result of that stack. Think of each layer as a transparent sheet with artwork on it. Merging brings two of those sheets together so they become one. Next, select the layer you want to merge in the Layers panel. This will be the one on top that you intend to combine with the layer directly beneath it. Double-check you've clicked the correct one, because the command you're about to use always targets the immediately lower layer. If your layers are named, use those names as a guide. If not, the thumbnails can help you confirm what's on each layer. With the correct top layer selected, right-click on it and choose Merge Down. The moment you do, GIMP combines that selected layer with the layer just below it. You'll see the two become a single layer in the Layers panel, and your layer count will decrease by 1. This is great for simplifying your file, reducing clutter, and improving performance as your project grows. Any blending, opacity, or positioning from the two layers is baked into the new merged result. So what you see on the canvas should look the same, just consolidated. It's important to know that merging is destructive. Once two layers are merged, you can't separate them again later as independent layers. If you change your mind right away, you can still undo the merge, but after you move on, you won't be able to pull them apart. To protect yourself before merging, consider duplicating the layers you plan to combine. Creating a duplicate gives you a safety net, letting you keep an untouched original version you can return to if you want to adjust something later. This is especially helpful when you're still experimenting with colors, filters, or blending modes and aren't completely committed to the final look. That's all there is to it. Open your project, select the top layer you want to combine, right-click and choose Merge Down, and keep a duplicate handy if you'd like a backup. With this approach, you'll keep your workflow clean, your file manageable, and your creative options open.